Maraming monitor lizard doon sa baba, oh. Yung house na yan. Yan. Look. They are big. 3 of them. Oh my gosh. Look. Monyet is not here. No. It's a big one. Ha! Come here. Oh, it's coming. Another one there. Really? Oh, it's standing.
Very sharp.
Yeah, but this one is not really big. This is small.
No, I've picked up big lizards before, but not
Really?
that big. No.
Hello. Hi. He's looking. Where do you want to go? Oh, I see the small one. Oh, the tongue is coming out. Where are you going? Oh. They are listening if you are talking. Very nice. This is small one. I can find the other one is big in the other side. Yeah. Yeah. Have another big one before here. They are climbing. And some are swimming. Look. Have another one big there. Oh. This one. And this one. Like. Not too much now. I think. Oh, they are there. How many there? Oh. Yan. Pinakain kasi nila kaya andito sila. Oh, andito yung white one. Oh, it's coming. Where are you going? Yeah. Fed